Hey guys, today I'm checking out this really nice keyboard that I received for ripping purposes. Let me open it up and let's take everything out of the box and let's see what comes inside. And what I think that it's nice about this keyboard is that it's a real mechanical keyboard and it has the instruction manual with all the important information about how to use it, how to change different modes and everything. This is the proper main keyboard, and as you can see, it has a really nice design. It has a black and white sound that's amazing. It has this leg stand so you can angle it, and it has some anti-slip patch, making it really easy to set up and adjust it however you like it, which I think that it's really nice. Inside of the box, we also get a USB Type A to Type C charging cables, two different keycaps so we can change them in case that one of them are faulty. Subset cables, and we get this really nice tool so we can change the keys, which I think that it's really nice. This keyboard can be used with 3 different modes and seamlessly switch between the modes. You can connect up to 5 devices simultaneously via Bluetooth with a 2.4 GHz dongle or wired with the USB-C. In this case, I'm going to test it out. In here we got the USB Type-C port that we're going to put the cable with. Then we can connect it to the USB-A port of our computer. In this case, I'm using this adapter, but in any case, just plug it in into the USB-A port and that's it. You don't need to download anything. You can just plug and play with it, which I think that it's really nice. You have a on and on switch that you have to make sure that it's on and it's ready to use. This keyboard uses some red linear switches, which I think that they are really nice because they can deliver a fast actuation and a fatigue-free typing. Obviously, you can also switch them yourself and change the different dynamic LED effects by swapping the 3-pin switches effortlessly with the tool included, and you can personalize the gameplay with the 18 LED backlight modes. It can react to music, synchronization, rainbow wave, etc., which I think that they are really nice. And it feels really nice. It's smooth. It has a nice typing feedback. And the layout, it's great that you get the number pad and it has some comfortable key spacing, which I think that it's really nice. And I absolutely love how clean it looks. It's really power efficient as it has a 4000 milliamperes battery that can give you up to 2000 hours of backlit running time. And as I've said, it's USB Type-C rechargeable, so you can charge it really quickly or just use it wired. So whether you're working from home, chatting on any kind of video calls, ordering a mail, gaming, I think that this keyboard it's quite stylish and really functional. It has a really nice weight and it feels really durable. And overall, I think that it's really nice and I will really recommend it.